Merong pinadala ang Diyos. He was sent by God, sabi. Alam nyo na almost for 700 years or 400 years, silent ang Diyos because wala siyang pinadalang propeta during the time. From the time of Malachi to in the book of Matthew, ang sabi doon, it was silent. Silent because there was no prophet sent by God. No? And nang dumating si John the Baptist, he is the prophet in the New Testament na kung saan pinadala siya ng Diyos. Anong papel ni John? He will prepare the way of the Lord. Bago dumating ang Panginoong Yesus, piniprepare niya ang mundo. Because during that time, mayroon na rin corruption, no? Yung mga kumukuha ng pera sa mga tao, meron doon. Mga hooks, no? So, John was testifying the word which is Jesus Christ at pinadala siya para mag-witness sa sanlibutan. Yan ang papel niya. He was not the Savior, but He was the messenger sent from God para mag-witness to Jesus Christ. Tanong, magkaano si John the Baptist and Jesus Christ? Sino yung nanay ni John the Baptist? Ha? Elizabeth. Yeah, tama. So magpinsan sila, di ba? Pero naunang nanganak si Elizabeth. Yeah, okay. So, magpinsan pero iba ang calling nila, no? John the Baptist is not the Savior, but he was the messenger ahead sent by God.
According to the teachings of Dr. Charles Stanley,
Charles Stanley. Oh.
John chapter 1, 6 to 7, which describes John the Baptist as a man sent from God to testify about the light, Jesus Christ, highlights several key principles regarding God's purpose and the nature of testimony.
Iyan
He,
ang papel.
he implies that John was sent from God, reinforcing that salvation and the message of Christ originate with God, not man. God actively works to bring humanity out of darkness and into His light.
John the Baptist is to talk about Jesus Christ na walang ibang kaligtasan na makakamtan ng tao kundi kay Jesus Christ lang. Yun ang papel ni John.
The core purpose of John the Baptist's life was to testify to the light, which Jesus is, so that all might believe through Him. Stanley teaches that believers today are called to be witnesses in the same way, pointing others to the Savior rather than to themselves.
Okay, the role of us who believe in Jesus Christ is to witness also to others. No? To others na hindi pa nakakakilala sa Panginoon. Kasi yung iba, ang pagkakilala nila, tao lamang siya. Ang pagkakilala kay Jesus Christ ay propeta. No? Ang pagkakilala kay Jesus Christ is small God. And we are correcting that. Yung pagkakilala na yon. Ang lahat ng ating kaalaman o kaisipan na naging successful tayo, naging sabi nating valedictorian, cum laude, pero it is God who gives you the power, no? And then you became successful. Pinapaalala ng Bible that it is God who gave you all of these things na dapat maibalik natin. Paano natin maibalik ito? Sa pamamagitan ng pasasalamat sa Diyos. No, we give God the glory for all the things that He has done in our lives. Whether you become cum laude, na gano'n ka sa board exam, nakapasa ka, o nag-top ka, but it is God who gives you the wisdom and power to have that success.